Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers. Cheap Hiram local and long-distance movers near me. Generally, 3 Movers consider a relocation to be long distance if it exceeds 50 miles. This move may be interstate or intrastate. 3 Movers delivers prompt and easy long-distance moving services that ensure your belongings are delivered in the best possible condition and the safest manner possible. Our experienced movers have the essential skills and training to organize and secure all your belongings on the truck. Also, these trucks are big enough to transport your belongings and provide the maximum level of protection for all your stuff. Traveling long distances involves using several roads, and our drivers are knowledgeable about all Hiram roads and those heading to neighboring cities and states. Additionally, they possess legitimate driver's licenses and relocation permits to enable them to travel long distances. As a result, they are familiar with traffic restrictions and adhere to them strictly. Local relocations often seem to be less complicated and time-consuming than long-distance ones. While this assumption is mainly correct, without sufficient preparation, things may rapidly go awry. We have provided local moving services in Georgia neighborhoods for several years. Our service charge is often between $30 and $40, and you can feel confident that you're getting the most value for your money. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hiram Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.